అన్యాయం అండి, ఇది అన్యాయం. మా తెలుగు వాళ్ళతో ఇంగ్లీష్ లో మాట్లాడి ఆవిడతో తెలుగులో మాట్లాడి గెలకడం కాకపోతే సరే ఇటుపోతే ఇంగ్లీష్ లో మాట్లాడండి సార్.
నేను ఇంగ్లీష్ లో then
ట్రాన్స్లేట్ చేస్తారు.
Shreyaji, I will continue in English only.
Yeah, I love it.
You've been doing in many languages in India across all the states, and you've been seeing the way the films are being made on a high and larger scales, more particularly in Telugu. Now you are part of such a big project, and a Leviathan project now you are doing now, part of being that. And how do you feel being present in this kind of a project
భయ్యా
on such a long
ట్రిపుల్ ఆర్ చేసి వచ్చింది భయ్యా ఇక్కడికి.
ఏది
ట్రిపుల్ ఆర్ చేసి వచ్చింది భయ్యా ఆవిడకి ఇక్కడికి.
That's what that is the reason I'm asking. That is the reason I'm asking. Because you have done, as Mr. Manoj is now referring, you have done in Triple R. Okay. Now that, how do you grade this film after doing a film like Triple R? How do you grade this film?
చాలా లోడెడ్ క్వశ్చన్ అండి, కానీ I think as an actor, a film is a film, and actor for me on set, నాకు I want to give my 100%. ఎందుకంటే ఎవ్రీ రోల్ ఎవ్రీ క్యారెక్టర్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఉందా. కానీ when you see the director so driven and story has so much power, and you know that everybody is so excited about it, adi energy undi, adi when you go on the set in front of the camera, you know everybody is so driven, adi that's another level of excitement that you have. So Kandipa, when I was doing RRR, I knew it was a big film, and it became so big. That is everybody's contribution. And this film also, of course, Rajamouli sir, I absolutely am a big fan. Comparison we should not do. Kani ikkada Gautam Garu, he's written a beautiful script. He's worked really hard. And Karthik Garu, sorry, he's written a beautiful script. He's worked really hard. And to be in front of the camera, to be behind the camera, directed also, and actually, you know, it's very hard. He's done a very hard job. First day when I did that shot with him, and I'm like, how are you doing it? You're a director also, you're a cameraman also, and how are you doing it? But he's done a great job, great visual treat it'll be. It has lots of emotions, and you've seen all the actors have done a great job. So I think you will love the film. For me, I enjoy being part of cinema, and I hope that I keep getting roles like this.
Okay, do you foresee Rajamouli in him?
Huh?
Do you foresee Rajamouli in him?
Do I see? I think I'm a very small person to say that. I think the whole industry, you know, I think it's very important that I think it's very important I don't say, do I see a Teja Sarja and a new actor? No, it's like Teja Sarja has worked really hard to be where he is. All the actors have worked really hard to be where they are. He's worked really hard to be where he is. Comparisons I'll never do. But I love Rajamouli sir, and I love what Karthik Garu has done, and I love the hard work he's put in, and I love the film he's made. Adikosam, please go watch it on 12th. Also because 11th is my birthday, so 12th will be a gift for me.
Karthik Garu,
very nice, very nice. Teja, 1 minute.
Sir, 1 minute.
Teja, indaka
కాదు మీరు ఆల్రెడీ రాజమౌళి గారు కనిపిస్తా అన్నారు అడిగారు కదా.
అవును
సార్, ఒకటి దానికి ఆన్సర్
చెప్పాలి.
ప్రపంచంలో ఒకే రాజమౌళి గారు సార్,
అదే కూడా ట్రూ.
ఒకే నటసింహ, అర్థమైందా? అలాగే మా ఒకే ఒక కార్తిక్ ఘట్టంనేని గారు, ఇది మనకి తెలుగు నుంచి గర్వపడేలాగా ఒక ఇంటర్నేషనల్ ఫిల్మ్ తీశారు. అది మీ సపోర్ట్ తో పెద్ద బ్లాక్ బస్టర్.
I think we should support each other, support everybody's good work. Whoever does, I mean, in this industry, it's very important. Comparisons are not needed. And for me to say who I love them both, but yeah, this I really enjoyed being part of.
Very nice. Teja, 1 minute. ఇందాకలా ఎవరో నెగిటివ్ గా మాట్లాడకండి అని అన్నారు కదా, అన్నావు కదా నువ్వు. ఇందులో నెగిటివ్ గా మాట్లాడడానికి ఏం లేదు తేజ. యు ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు హిట్ ద బుల్స్ ఐ విత్ మిరాయ్, అండ్ దిస్ ఇస్